So next up for renovation is this die cast Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow Corniche. We're going to be giving it a coat of paint and we're going to revamp the interior and bring it up to Rolls-Royce spec. So this was quite easy to strip down, and I drilled out the rivets that were holding them in each end and take the chassis off, and then the bumpers just come out. They're held in by the chassis when that's riveted down. The interior comes out in one lump, just pulls out, as does the glass and the engine bay. And the glass holds in place the dash. We're just going to prise off the Rolls-Royce grille and the headlamps. And what we're going to do is we're going to revamp the underneath and detail it. We'll detail the engine bay. This glass needs a really good clean up and polish, and we'll recolour the dash, and we'll recolour the interior, put some carpet in the boot. Now, first of all, we're going to chrome up the bumpers and the grille. So to overhaul the bumpers and the grille, I'm just going to give them a quick wipe off with wire wool. And then I'm going to use this Molotow pen. It's a really good liquid chrome pen. And I use this a lot to redo chrome. Do you want to own a Rolls-Royce? Well, you could get the chance. Subscribe to my channel, and at the end of this build, if my subscriptions go up by 100, then I'll give away this fully renovated Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow Corniche, and you will be the proud owner of a Rolls-Royce. Remember, please subscribe, and once this is finished, I will pick out a winner from all of the people that have subscribed during the time that this model is being built. Thank you. This is the Molotow pen that I use.